Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today is time for lesson 3. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button for me down below and tap the notification bell so that every time we post a video, you guys will be notified right away. Let's get started. Hey YouTube, it's me again, Rimshot Drummer. Just wanted to take you through lesson 3 today of basic beats on a drum kit and how to play drum set for beginners. Lesson 1, we started off with just the kick. Lesson 2, we added the snare with the kick. And today for lesson 3, we're going to add the hi-hat as well as the snare drum and the kick. The first time we play through our pattern, we're going to do it in a quarter note pattern on the hi-hat. When we come back or repeat that, we're going to play an eighth note pattern on the hi-hat. Okay, so for those of you who don't remember the beat from lesson 1 or 2, or who were not with us for lessons 1 and 2, here is the basic kick drum beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, great. So now we're going to add the snare and the hi-hat. Remember, we're using a match grip. We're holding both sticks the same in both hands. We'll get into a traditional versus match later. But for this lesson, we're going to hold them match grip. They're both the same way, sticks forming a V-type formation toward the center of the snare drum. Your right hand is going to keep time on just straight quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the second time we're going to do eighth notes. Would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here we go. There you have it. That is your quarter note pattern. Now, secondly, as promised earlier, we're going to go into an eighth note pattern here on the hi-hat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. After this, guys, you're pretty much really on your way to being able to play drums with a very basic groove. Here we go. Got it? That's all there is to it. Stay relaxed. Keep practicing that over and over. The more you do it, the more comfortable you'll become. Oh, you know what I like. Hit the like button. See you next lesson, guys. Bye-bye.